At home with Power BI, I'm Zahir Brahim from Sigma BI. Today I'm going to show you how to use a column from example function in Power Query. This is used in the ETL process when you're transforming, cleaning that data to upload it to Power BI desktop. So without further ado, let's go take a look. Let's go. So I'm going to show you a couple of examples of how to use the column by example function. Now this is used when you are modeling your data. So during the ETL process, once you get your data in, you're mashing up your data, cleaning it out, and this is one of the features that you're able to use to help you with getting the right information from columns and tables. So what we're going to do first of all is go over to my table that I've got, and I can see there's a price here. Okay, so I'm going to select on that, and what I want to do is basically I don't like showing me it's in US dollars. All I want to do is the US dollars out, and I just want the numbers just in a column. So what I'll do is select on the column or the column which you want to use. To the top, I'm going to add column, and then select on the column from examples. And then click on from selection. Okay, so it's giving me another column, and what it's basically saying to write what I want from that column. So I'm going to start typing the number. So it's 41213. Okay, it's recognized that it's the price. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click the down arrow, and what that has done is it's taken the example from the first row of numbers that I've put in. It's matched it up and said, right, okay, you've typed in this 412.13. Computer recognizes that, the system recognizes that and says, right, okay, I think you want the rest of the numbers in there. So what it's done is it's then input all the numbers in there for me. So press OK, and it's giving me another column. So if I'm just going to put here price without dollar. Okay. For example. So that's how column examples work for numbers. Now, I know what you're saying is because it's just numbers, it's probably just recognize the numbers and from the letters. So what I'm going to do is show you another option as well where you can see how it works with a combination of letters and numbers. So it'll recognize that I'm wanting the letters and the numbers from this column and to put it in a separate one. Okay, so we're going to do another one. So I'm going to go to the product, select on that and go to the top again. Select on column from examples and from selection. Right, so now it's give me the column. So what information do I want from this product column? So I want the MA-01. I want all that information. I want it to be the same on all the others coming into this column. So what I need to do is make sure MA-01, and I want that to be repeated in the rest of the columns. So if I press on the next line, as you can see, it's taken that out and it's done it for the rest of the rows as well in the column. And just so I can check, I'm just going to scroll down here. As you can see, it's changed to RP04, RP05, that's correct. So it's got that information all from that column. So this could be the product, you just want that product number, or whatever information is in there, you're able to take that out from there. Now, there are other ways of doing this, of course. There are the split columns by delimiter. Um, having done that, you'll have to split this quite a few times. So this is an easier way for you to extract the information from that column and put it into one that a column that you can use and upload it to the desktop. So that's how you use column from example. I hope this has helped you, and I hope that's given you a few more ideas on how you can now extract your data from the tables. And if you have any questions or you've got any comments or that kind of thing, send me a message, leave a comment below. Subscribe to the channel as well, as we'll be doing more videos for you every week. Thanks for watching, guys. At home with Power BI with me, Zahir Brayman. Learn with us by subscribing to our channel to get updated on our latest videos.